So, morning. Currently we're sitting here on the train station, waiting for our train. So as you can see, it's quite busy, and there's also a national strike today. So not much happening in terms of metros or trams. Which is bit of a. We had to walk 2 kilometers, or about 2 kilometers. It wasn't too bad. So just hope everything's on time. But we're sitting at Brussels Midi at the moment, waiting for our train to Amsterdam. So we're in windy Amsterdam. Sorry, the wind is quite bad. I hope you can hear us. We're standing next to the river, as you can see, quite nice.
On our way to our hotel, which is another kilometers walk away from the train station.
Yes. So as you can see my hair, it's windy. But anyway, welcome to Holland.
We just arrived at our room in Amsterdam. Nice room. We've got a coffee station, bar fridge, big shower, lots of windows. We're on the 6th floor, and then we've got it's modern. It's very modern. The furniture modern, and then the bed. Interesting building here in front of us.
So it's wet again, and we're standing outside this place, and there's a queue, and Eric's like, no, we need to go in. Anyway, it's to the church. And I'm like, Grieprik. Is that the church's name? Anyway, so the woman comes around and says like, you might be too young to get this. It's actually for the, what's it, the flu vaccine. Oh no, not the actual church. Anyway, on we march, onwards.
cold Amsterdam
Thursday.
Thursday. At least it's not raining today, but it definitely feels colder here than the other places we've been at. And we think it's maybe because there's so much water here, you know. Anyway,
It's wetter.
yesterday it rained a lot.
Yeah.
I'm developing a bit of a sore throat here, so hopefully it won't go any further. Anyway, we now, it's not that early actually, it's already after 9, but we now,
Seems like most places only opens at 10. That's the problem.
and we're just going to take a long walk towards
Rijks Museum.
Rijks Museum, and on our way we're just going to see a bit of the sights, and then yeah, this afternoon, and then we'll get something to eat maybe, and I want to see Vondel Park, which is close to Rijks Museum. It's a big park area there, with water, and so then we'll walk around there as well. Yeah, and Dam Square and those areas which I want to see basically today. We'll see how the day goes for that anyway, so yeah, we'll see what the day holds.